Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best travel tips and destination guides. If you're itching for an adventure but your wallet's looking a bit thin, don't fret. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into some incredible destinations that are perfect for budget travelers. Let's dive into 5 amazing budget travel destinations where you can have a blast without breaking the bank. These places offer rich experiences, culture, and adventure, all while being kind to your wallet. First up, we've got Chiang Mai. This gem in northern Thailand is a paradise for budget travelers. Known for its vibrant culture and friendly locales, Chiang Mai offers a unique blend of traditional and modern experiences. You can get delicious street food for just a couple of pounds and explore ancient temples for free. The night markets are a must-visit, offering everything from local crafts to tasty treats. Plus, the city's surrounded by lush mountains and stunning waterfalls. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the trekking and nature trails available here. Trust me, a visit to Chiang Mai is worth every penny. The memories you'll make here are priceless. Next on the list is Budapest. This city is rich in history and culture and surprisingly kind to your budget. From its stunning architecture to its vibrant art scene, Budapest has something for everyone. You can soak in the famous thermal baths for just a few quid and feast on mouth-watering goulash without emptying your pockets. The local cuisine is both delicious and affordable. Don't miss the stunning views from Fisherman's Bastion, completely free. It's one of the best spots to capture panoramic views of the city. Now let's head over to Lisbon. This coastal city offers a perfect mix of culture, history, and nightlife. Lisbon's charm lies in its narrow streets, historic trams, and vibrant neighborhoods. Wander through charming neighborhoods like Alfama and Barro Alto, or take a tram ride for a unique city tour. The trams are not only a mode of transport but also a historical experience. Affordable hostels and budget-friendly eats make Lisbon a top choice for penny-pinching explorers. You can enjoy delicious Portuguese cuisine without spending a fortune. Fourth on our list is the enchanting Hoi An. This ancient town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a haven for budget travelers. Its well-preserved architecture and rich history make it a fascinating place to explore. You can rent a bicycle for next to nothing and explore the lantern-lit streets, or take a cooking class on the cheap. The local markets are perfect for picking up souvenirs and trying street food. Hoi An is not only affordable but also incredibly charming. The town's unique blend of cultures and traditions will leave you spellbound. Last but not least, we have La Paz. This high-altitude city offers unique experiences without a hefty price tag. From its bustling markets to its breathtaking landscapes, La Paz is a city of contrasts. You can visit the surreal Moon Valley, or take a thrilling bike ride down Death Road for a fraction of what you'd pay elsewhere. And the local markets? They're a treasure trove of unique finds. They're perfect for budget shopping and tasting local delicacies. The vibrant atmosphere and friendly locals make shopping here a delightful experience. So, there you have it. 5 fantastic destinations that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Each of these places offers something unique and memorable. Whether you're exploring temples in Thailand, soaking in Hungarian baths, tram riding in Portugal, biking through Vietnam, or adventuring in Bolivia, these budget-friendly spots are sure to give you unforgettable memories without blowing your budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow budget travelers. Happy travels! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow budget travelers. Happy travels!